Begin by cleaning the screen with the wet wipes and the microfiber cleaning cloth. Remove any case and place the easy installation tray on the phone with the top section of the tray on the top half of the phone. Peel off the mask film to expose the adhesive surface of the screen protector. Using the easy installation tray as an alignment guide, line up the top or the bottom of the protector and carefully place it onto the phone. Swipe down the middle of the screen, making the protector begin to adhere to the phone. At this step, only the middle of the protector will be attached to the phone. Remove the installation tray at this time. Firmly use the squeegee on the right side from bottom to top, pushing the air out from the top of the phone. Firmly repeat on the left side of the phone, directing the air to come out of the top. If there are any bubbles on the screen, lift the nearest corner to the bubble and then re-squeegee that area. Repeat until all bubbles are gone. Please remember to activate the touch sensitivity feature on your phone while using this screen protector. Simply go to Settings, Advanced Features, and Touchscreen Sensitivity near the bottom. Thanks again for choosing amFilm.